And news just coming in, the National Human Rights Commission has issued a notice to the Punjab government on the medical camp botch up. The NHRC has sought a report from the Parkar Singh Badal government within 2 weeks. 16 people lost their eyesight in a botched series of operations in Punjab. The NHRC has said this is a serious violation of human rights. And joining me with the latest is Headlines Today's Rishika Barua. Rishika, take us through what the NHRC has said.
Gaurav, that's right. The National Human Rights Commission has in fact taken suo motu cognizance of media reports. Remember, Headlines Today has been following up this story since late last night, where 60 people have in fact lost their eyesight as a result of botched up cataract surgeries. These were free surgeries, remember, that took place at the behest of an NGO that was organizing camps in the Gurdaspur district. A village by the name of Ghuman was where these camps were in fact organized. The commission has in fact observed that the contents of what is out in the media at this point in time, if those contents are true, and if those 60 people have in fact lost their eyesight as a result of botched up cataract surgeries that were conducted by this NGO, then that amounts to a serious rights violations, because the victims, remember, have lost their eyesight. It has also issued, the NHRC at this time, Gaurav, the latest we're getting, has issued notices to the Chief Secretary of Health at the government of Punjab, and also to the District Magistrate of Gurdaspur, and they have in fact sought a report, as you've been pointing, in a span of 2 weeks.
Rishika Barua, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. Now, the latest in the iCamp botch up is that police have arrested the organizers of this camp. A doctor from Gurdaspur has been detained. At least 50 people underwent this operation. Some of them have reported temporary loss of eyesight. Others say they've permanently lost their eyesight. This iCamp was organized by an NGO in Gurdaspur. A similar incident came to light from Punjab just after the recent botched up sterilization camp in Chhattisgarh. 16 persons belonging to one village in Amritsar. The others were from the Gurdaspur district. All of them have been admitted to an ENT hospital in Amritsar, and of course one in Gurdaspur. All patients were operated at an eye camp at the Ghuman village of Gurdaspur district 10 days ago. The incident emerged when all 16 patients from Amritsar approached the Deputy Commissioner to lodge a complaint against this NGO, the doctors and others who were a part of this eye camp.
We have asked for a report from the Punjab government, but as we have been told that the operations were done by some NGO and it did not have the permission of the state government, we are finding out the details of it, and as soon as the details will come, we will come back to you. But at the same time, we have asked the state governments that if they need any help, the central government is ready to assist and give help accordingly.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਕੱਢ ਲੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਕੈਂਪ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਲੀਆਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਗਰੀਬ ਆਦਮੀ ਹਾਂ, ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ, ਨਾ ਦੀਦਾ ਕੁਝ, ਅੱਖਾਂ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਗਈਆਂ।
ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਉੱਥੇ ਗਏ ਆ, ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਧਰੂ ਜਿਹਾ, ਉਹਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਆੜੀ ਸੂਈ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਸੂਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਅੱਖ ਪਾੜ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਉਸੇ।